Welcome to Linux Help. In this today's session we are going to see how to use priority label on Asterisk Dialplan context on Rocky Linux 9.4. Priority labels in our system are utilized to associate a specific label with a priority number by placing the label in parentheses immediately following the priority number. These labels serve the purpose of facilitating quick navigation back to a specific location within the extension in the future. First, I am going to check the OS version by using the following command. I am using Rocky Linux 9.4. I have already installed Asterisk, so I am going to show the status of Asterisk by using the following command. We can see the Asterisk service is in active and running state. Now I am going to show how to use priority label on Asterisk Dialplan context. For that I am going to the Asterisk directory by using the following command. Now I am going to modify the extension.conf file. For that, open extension.conf file by using the Vim text editor. This is in simple Dialplan. In first I am using no OP application for showing in message. In the next line I am using go to application. Next I am using playback application for using sounds. Next I am using dial application. Here I am going to use one label named as skip. After that I am going to mention that label, skip, here. Now I have created an Dialplan with the priority label, then I save and exit from the extension.conf file. Now enter into Asterisk CLI console by using the following command. Reload the Dialplan by using the following command. Now I am going to make an call from one extension to another extension by using the Zoiper and Microsip software. Now we can see the log where the first priority is no OP application, it shows this message. Next we can see the go to application, it skipped the third priority which is in playback application and directly go to dial application. By this way you can use priority label on Asterisk Dialplan context on Rocky Linux 9.4. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.